In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog carousel using Elementor. We'll start right inside your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the Pages option and click on it. This will show you a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page where you want your blog carousel to appear. When you hover your mouse over that page title, some additional options will appear underneath it. Click on Edit with Elementor. This will open the page in the Elementor editor so we can build the carousel visually. Once Elementor has loaded, look over to the left panel where all your widgets are. In the search bar or in the widget list, look for the Loop Carousel widget. When you find it, drag it onto the section of the page where you want the blog carousel to appear. As soon as you drop it in, it will be selected, and its settings will show up on the left panel. Make sure you are on the Content tab. Inside this tab, you'll see a section called Layout. Open that layout accordion and look for the option called Template Type. Set the template type to Posts. After that, you'll see a button to create a template. Click Create Template. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to save any changes you've made so far to the page. Go ahead and click Save. Elementor will then switch into the template editor for your loop item. Give it a moment for the left panel to refresh. You'll notice that it now shows you the full list of Elementor widgets again, because you are designing what each slide in your blog carousel will look like. From here, decide what information you want to display for each post. You can choose elements like post title, post excerpt, post content, featured image, or post info. In this example, we'll use the post excerpt widget. Find post excerpt in the widget list, then drag and drop it into the loop template area. Wait a second for it to load, and you should see a preview of how each blog item will appear. Once you're happy with that layout, go to the top of the screen and click Save and Back. Elementor will bring you back to the main page editor. Let it fully load, and you'll now see your live blog carousel preview on the page. When everything looks good and you're finished making adjustments, move to the top right corner and click Update or Publish, depending on whether this is a new page or an existing one. Your blog carousel is now live on your site.